Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Now we're driving our 34 Ford. Running about 60. They're short wheelbase. They ride a little rough on roads like this. They got cracks in them, just so you know. You can see I'm bouncing up and down a little bit, but it's winter here and the roads are a little rougher, so. The wind noise you're hearing is the window cracked over there. The handle's not going up. I see the screw must be loose, so I gotta tighten that up. But nice driving car. Doesn't wander. Goes down the road nice, not a ton of RPM, so this is a car you can drive 60, 70 miles an hour and have some fun and definitely get some attention. Good looking car. And these early 30s Fords got a great look to them, so. It's got power brakes, just manual steering, but with this car you don't need power steering. It's not very heavy, it's pretty light, so brakes work really good. So, any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.